Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and to my regular viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this stuffed baked local BVI fish. So here we go. So I have 2 Grunt fish, local BVI fish that my son caught for me. And I had them soaking in some water with some lime and lemon juice. So next I'm going to wash them out and season the fish. Okay, so here's one of the Grunt fish. I am going to season it with a dry rub like. So I have this is some paprika powder, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and this is some cayenne pepper. So I'm just going to simply just rub that into the fish. I'm also going to rub inside of the fish. Nicely coat this fish with the spiky. Alright, so I'm satisfied with the coating of this fish. So now we're going to proceed. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to make a little slice on the fish here. 2 slices. And I'm just going to put some slices of garlic in there. Actually only 1 could hold, so I'll just put 1 if it could fit. Yeah. Let me do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to stuff the fish. I have my homemade green seasoning. I added a little bit of salt because when I make my green seasoning I don't add any salt. So I'm just going to stuff the inside of the fish with this. This is about a tablespoon of the green seasoning, if I didn't mention that before. That is enough. What I may do, I think I'll just add some sliced onion to make that take it extra mild. And to make this a complete meal, I'm just going to cut up some potato and put it to the side of the fish. The potatoes that I am using, they cook very, very quickly, so I don't have to worry about the potato taking too long to cook. Alright. Now I'm going to put a few slices of onion inside of the fish, like so. I'm doing this, but you could stuff it with whatever you want, guys. You know, whatever you have in your pantry, make that do. That's what I'm doing here. And I'm really going out to get extra ingredients. What I have in my fridge and my pantry, I'm using that to stuff and season my fish. So I'm going to just add some potato with the skin on. That is just my preference. Again, these potato bake very, very quickly. They cook very, very quickly. They are called the green giant golden potatoes. That's what they are called. So I'm going to cover this with a piece of foil, put it in the oven, let it bake for about 20 minutes, and then I will take off the foil and let it get a final baking from about, let's say, about 5 minutes. My oven is set at 350 degrees. Okay, so here's my fish after being in the oven for about 20 minutes with a piece of foil on top of it. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes and it should be done cooking. The potatoes are basically almost cooked. And yeah, we're good to go. In case you might be wondering, when I started the video, I showed you two of the fish, two grunt fish, but the two couldn't fit in one dish, so I have the other one in another dish. Alright folks, here's my fish, my stuffed big fish, local fish, grunt, BVI fish. Right, it's all done. But like I said before, I put it back in the oven for another about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's nice and it's perfect now, right? But of course I found it's a bit it smells a bit fresh, so I put a few slices of lemon to kind of cut that fresh scent, and it's ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.